Yeah, but I feel like Liema is way too personal, hey, when it comes to the game in the house. So basically, they were doing the face to face nominations, and it was Liema's turn. Liema nominated Q and Tandeka. Q, because of she thinks that he is two faced, or because obviously that radio thing, and Tandeka, because she would like to see her walk out of that door. Like, I can't, like, she is so aggressive. Like, I feel like she is playing this game. Like, she is so personal about it. Like, she is so bothered by Utandega. And I feel like the girls kind of hate Utandega, especially Didi and Liema. They don't like Tandega because of they want Umeli. And it needs to be put out there. Like, they don't like this girl because of she is with the man that they want. And Uliama, I have to give it up to her. Like, she does not have any filter. She means what she says. She does not go behind your back. She will tell you on your face. But it's kind of giving like bullish offish. And since she's been like this, I feel like Tandeka has calmed down, which is a good thing. But now I feel like now it's getting too personal. Like, we get it now. Like, we get it. You don't like Utandeka. Like, you don't have to be so personal and emotional about it. And I personally feel like because she has been in the house and she knows the game, she thought that she was going to be the it girl. She thought that everybody else was going to bow to them because of they are like the second chances. They were here before, and unfortunately it's not going to be like that. And also, I also do agree with people when they say that it was kind of unfair for Big Brother to invite back the other housemates. There were supposed to be new faces that were supposed to come this season. Look now what's happening. But Utandeka is the new face, and definitely she's definitely bringing fire. Like, she's keeping these housemates on their toes. And Uliema must not act like that's her house, because of also she's trying to manipulate the voters. Like, she was like, oh, voters must need to do what they need to do about Utandeka. Voters this, voters that. Like, girl, stop it, please. Like, it doesn't have to be so personal with you. Like, we get you don't like Utandeka, but like, she doesn't like Tandeka. And mind you, Tandeka has never done anything to Liema. Like, we need to really be loud and clear with that. Tandeka has never specifically done anything to Liema, specifically to her alone. Well, the reason why Liema is upset is because of she is jumping into people's businesses in the house. She is inheriting beef that's not meant for her to inherit. And now she has developed this hatred that is the illusion that she doesn't like Utandeka. For what reason? For what reason? Because Utandeka understands the game. She thought that she was going to be the it girl in the house. She was going to get more screen time, wara wara wara. It does not work that way, unfortunately. And people love Tandeka. But I personally feel like she's playing the game emotionally, and she needs to calm down. Like, she really needs to calm down. Like, we get it now. Oh my gosh, we get it. Even Lo Tandeka, like, both of them, like, we get it. They keep each other on their toes. They don't like each other. Oh my god, it's enough now. Like, yo. But anyway, guys, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.
For Chu, Big Brother, he is two-faced. For Tandeka, I would love to see her walk through those doors and leave the house.
Yeah, campaign.
I say you like go two-faced.
Two-faced. That's the time. Who Elano yena go two-faced.
Nominations for Big Brother.
Chu and Tandek.